Mercedes key fobs typically use a CR2032 or CR2025 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Confirm the correct type by checking your fob's label or owner's manual. Mismatching can cause malfunctions. Locate the seam on the key fob, often near the black emergency key slot. Insert a coin or flat tool into the slot and gently twist to pry open the fob. If it's stubborn, a small screwdriver can help. Be careful not to bend any mechanical keys. The whole process should take about 30 seconds. Once open, remove the old battery, noting its polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 or CR2025 with the correct orientation. Snap the fob back together securely. Test the functionality by locking and unlocking the vehicle. Wear gloves to prevent skin oils from affecting battery contacts. Recycle old lithium batteries at designated facilities. For proximity sensor models, confirm pairing via onboard diagnostics if needed. This replacement process should take under 2 minutes and typically requires no reprogramming. If issues persist after replacing the battery, clean the battery contacts.